So today, my simple recipe is going to be corned beef hash. Hey guys, and how are you doing today? I hope you are all safe and doing well. By the way, my name is Angel, and thank you so much for visiting Angel's Video Diary. Alright. And welcome to our tiny kitchen. Well, this is only gonna be our temporary kitchen. Sinabi ko sa Instagram story ko, we're back in the East Coast for 6 weeks. Yes, so Edward is here to help out with the pandemic crisis here in Boston, Massachusetts. Since marami akong time ngayon to focus on my blog and of course my blog as well. So I decided to share simple and easy recipes with all of you. And these recipes, I thought to have ingredients that are not too hard to find, especially these days. So today, my simple recipe is going to be corned beef hash. So the ingredients are very simple. You're gonna need 1 piece of onion, and then you're also gonna need potato, and then you're gonna need unsalted butter. You will also need eggs. Then you'll need ground pepper. What else? You'll also need garlic, chopped garlic, and then what else? Oh, of course, oil. And then last but not the least, this is something that you'll find in your pantry or sa cabinet ninyo. Syempre, kailangan natin ng a can of corned beef. So there. All right, so I guess we're ready. Let's get started.
Heat oil in a medium-sized skillet on medium heat. Then, fry the potatoes until it turns medium brown. Spread the potatoes evenly over the pan. Stir as much as you need. You don't want your potatoes to burn, right? Once the potatoes are done, put it in a bowl with a kitchen paper, then set it aside. Now, using the same pan, put 2 to 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Sauté 1 teaspoon of garlic in butter. And since I'm using the bottled garlic, you only need to cook it for less than 30 seconds. You will have to put the onions right away. Cook until the onions are translucent. Next, add the corned beef and cook for about 10 minutes. I believe it's done. Let's see. And that's how I wanted it to look. The corned beef and potatoes are sticking together. So far, so good, guys. And now, we're gonna add some wheat bread. Put the bread over the pan. Spread some butter on the bread and wait until each side turns medium brown. And now we're ready to try it.
Alright guys, so time to try it. And let's see. Actually, merong restaurant sa California na pinupuntahan namin and they serve really good corned beef hash. Yun yung inspiration ko dito sa corned beef hash na ginawa ko. And let's see kung masarap siya. Cheers! That's good. Crispy yung corned beef, pati yung potato, yung patatas na nilagay ko. And it's really good. Hindi rin siya masyadong maalat. Hindi ko na rin nilagyan ng salt kasi alam naman natin yung corned beef, it is high in sodium. So high in sodium na siya. So hindi mo na kailangang lagyan ng asin. All you have to do is just put pepper. And then, what else? Let's see. Oh, tingnan muna natin yung poached egg natin kung perfect pa siya. Okay guys, tingnan natin kung perfect. Uy, it's perfect! Buo siya dun sa side. And it's gooey in the middle. So, yung egg, niluto ko siya ng 4 minutes. Sabi yun daw yung perfect na pagluto. Kung gusto mong maging gooey, yung yolk niya. And then also, I'm gonna pretend I'm drinking mimosa. Yun. But this is just orange juice. And for us Filipinos, syempre, pinapartner natin yung corned beef natin with rice. So okay din naman yun with fried rice. Pero if you want something different, pwede mo siyang i-pair with bread. What else can I say? I guess that's it. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys learned something new today again. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, once again guys, subscribe. Just click on the subscribe button. And then you can also like, share, and comment down below. And then you can also subscribe to my blog, that's www.mypurplepages.com, or follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest, and that's at Angel's Video Diary. Alright, so I guess that's it. Yeah, that's it for now, and until next time, see ya!